Okay, very good. So for today, we will have quick review of lesson 1. So quick review lang tayo and then later may ipapagawa ako sa inyong activity. Alright, so let's go over with the noun 1-1, noun to des pattern. Sa last time, I told you no, na itong pattern na ito, no, kapag ginamit mo siya, wa is a particle which is a topic marker. So, alin dyan ang topic? Laging yung noun 1. So, yung mauuna, that will be the topic of the sentence. And then, anong ibig sabihin ng pattern na to? So, it states affirmative sentence, and siya ay present positive tense, and nagsasabi siya ng factual scenario. Okay? So, lahat na nagtatapos sa des, ito ang kanyang meaning. Okay, and then let's go over with some of the sample sentences na ibinigay ko na sa inyo before. Tatueba, Jose Sangwa, gaksay des. So when you pronounce it, it's silent U. Jose Sangwa, gaksay des, meaning to say, Jose is a student. Next, UST wa daigako des. So UST is a university. St. Luke's wa byo-in des. St. Luke's is a hospital. McDonald's wa fast food des. So McDonald's is a fast food. And Harry Sangwa America Jin des. So Mr. Harry is an American. Okay, so dito sa mga sentences na ito, we follow the pattern noun 1 wa, noun 2 des. So we have wa particle. So ibig sabihin, the word before it will be the topic of your sentence. Okay, next, we also learned about the negative. Okay, we have here the noun 1 wa, noun 2 janay des. So doon sa ating previous lesson, I used ja arimasen. Pwede rin naman yon. Ito kasi more on informal. But polite pa rin siya if you put des at the end. So anong ibig sabihin nito? That noun 1 is not noun 2. Yung janay yan ang nagpa-negative ng pattern na ito. Okay? So it's a negative sentence and not factual. Hindi siya totoo. Okay? So let's go to sample sentences. PUP wa byo-in janay des. So PUP is not a hospital. Sige. Tanaka Sangwa gaksay janay des. Mr. Tanaka is not a student. Sambang, Maria Sangwa sensei janay des. Miss Maria is not a teacher. Jollibee wa hoteru janay des. Jollibee is not a hotel. And Kim Sangwa manager janay des. Miss Kim is not a manager. So in the following sentences, we use the pattern noun 1 wa, noun 2 janay des. So ibig sabihin, negative yung ating sentence. Okay. Also, we talk about questioning. So pag nagko-question out ka in Japanese, you have again the noun 1 wa, noun 2 des, followed by the particle ka. Kasi sa kanila, they do not use question mark. But instead, they put ka at the end of the sentence to make it question. So in English, is N1 N2? Something like that. Okay, so a question that is answerable by yes or no, ito. Kasi kung mapapansin nyo, wala namang word question or interrogative. Okay, so let's go over with the sample sentences. PUP wa daigaku desu ka? Is PUP a university? Next, anata wa sensei desu ka? Are you a teacher? Kim-san wa chugokujin desu ka? Is Kim Chinese? Paulo-san wa Philippine-jin desu ka? Is Paulo a Filipino? And Novotel wa restaurant desu ka? Is Novotel a restaurant? Okay, so here we use the pattern noun 1 wa, noun 2 desu ka. Should you have question, you can use the raise hand button ha, or ka naman you can chat para kung sakaling. So kung gaya nito may nag-chat. Ma'am, wala ka po audio sa akin. Hindi niyo ako naririnig, minasang?
Naririnig po.
Okay, Tutanes, baka yung audio mo anak ang may diferensya kasi naririnig ako ng mga classmates mo, ha? Okay, yeah. Ano sabi niya, ano? Yeah, naka-record ito, Cedric. Yeah, lagi itong naka-record, oo, para kung halimbawa nabibilisan kayo sa lesson, you can always go back to the video and going to upload it to our chat group. Ano, chat group dyan ako.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you po.
Sa ating group, okay? Alright, so nire-refresh ko lang to kasi later on, magagamit dito para sa inyong asynchronous activity. Alright. And then, how to answer? Now, marunong ka ng mag-compose no, ng question sentence na yes or no ang sagot sa Japanese. So, paano mo siya sasagutan? Tatoeba, PUP wa daigaku desu ka? Ang PUP ba ay university? Is PUP a university? Oo. So, hi, daigaku desu. Yeah. So, kung positive siya, first you say hi, syempre yes, and then you repeat the noun too. Tama ba na i-repeat ko pa ang PUP? Walang mali. You can say, hi, PUP, waday gaku des. Kaya lang, masyado na siyang mahaba. So, pwede rin naman na iklian mo na lang siya. You can say, hi, daigaku des. That will be okay. Much better. Next, Karen Sangwa, kang kokujin desu ka? Is Miss Karen a Korean? Kung negative to, you say, iye, of course, because iye means no, kang kokujin janai desu. So again, no need to repeat Karen Sang. Kasi si Karen, obvious na siya yung topic natin. And then the third one, Anata wa sensei desu ka? Are you a teacher? Are you a teacher? Hi, sensei desu. I hope clear po itong ating pagsagot. Okay, admit ko muna siya. Okay. Now, I have here a practice activity. Okay, what I want you to do, minasang, is to get a sheet of paper. Sige, get a sheet of paper. And then, these are the sentences in Eigo. Eigo means English. And I want you to translate the following sentences to Nihongo. Okay po? So, from Eigo to Nihongo. So, what I want you to do is, first, you copy the 10 sentences. And then, you write your answer in a sheet of paper in Japanese. But no need to use hiragana. Hindi po naka-hiragana. Ito po ay naka-romaji lamang. Kasi kung hiragana, baka mga tomorrow evening pa tayo matapos dyan. Kasi alam ko hindi nyo pa masyadong memorize. Okay. Do I deserve a thumbs up? Para dun sa mga nakaintindi, kindly use your reaction button. Okay. Yes. Thank you. So, I'm going to give you, all of you, 10 minutes to accomplish this practice activity. 10 minutes only. Okay? Once you're done, kindly take a photo of your, wag nang take a photo, siguro later na lang na part. Sagutan nyo na lang muna. Okay? Hi, 10 minutes, onegai shimasu. Paul is a company employee. Paul Sangwa, kaisha in... Ay, sorry, mali ang aking sagot. Paul is a company employee. Paul Sangwa, kaisha in des. Okay, sorry. Mali yung aking translation. Okay. Number 3, Jim is not a student. Jim Sangwa, gakusei janai des. Number 4, Joe is not a Filipino. Joe Sangwa, Philippine Jin janai des. Is Karina a doctor? Karina Sangwa, isha desu ka? So you need to put ka kasi it's a question. And then, no, she is not a doctor. Iye, isha janai desu. Number 7, is UST a university? UST wa daigaku desu ka? Yes, it is. Hi, daigaku desu. Number 9, St. Luke's is a hospital. St. Luke's wa byouin desu. And number 10, Marco is a bank employee. Marco Sangwa, ginko-in desu. Okay, may naka-perfect ba dito sa ating practice activity? Can you give me a thumbs up?
Pwede po dun sa may Janaides.
Jaarimasen. Yeah, pwede naman siya jaarimasen. Oo, pwede rin siya. But please take note of that.
Ano po, nalagay ko po sa she is not a doctor, dito wa.
Okay. Okay lang yon. Tama, pwede rin yon. Yung she is not a Anuhito wa isha ja arimasen or isha janay des is okay. Yeah. Because yung anuhito is pwede rin she or he. Okay? Any question pa? Hopefully na-refresh, no? Na-refresh itong ating lesson na ito. So far, ng lesson 1. Okay, then I will move on. Okay, skip ko to. And then also, we have the interrogative words. So, tinuro ko sa inyo kung ano ang meaning ni nan, which is what, dare, who, nansay, how old, and doko is where. Okay, so here, itong apat na to, mag-focus tayo kung paano natin siya gagamitin sa sentence. Okay, let's have nan. Okay, the first question is, what is your name? Onamae wa nan desu ka? Onamae wa nan desu ka? Again, sabi ko sa inyo, ang interrogative ng Japanese ay lumalabas sa bandang dulo ng sentence. Unlike sa English, we put it at the beginning, no? Even in Tagalog. Okay, how do you answer? Onamae wa nan desu ka? You say, watashi wa, and then you put your name. Watashi wa Lani desu, or pwede rin naman, namae wa Lani desu. So, if you answer this question, always be careful, you always drop the o prefix. Okay, so hindi siya pwedeng isama sa sagot. Okay, next, anuhito wa dare desu ka? So, dare means who. Okay, who is that person? Anuhito wa dare desu ka? So, ibig sabihin, kailangan natin ng pangalan. Kasi tinatanong kung sino yung tao na yon. Okay, the answer can be, for example lang, John sang desu. He is John. Let's proceed to nansay. Nansay is how old. So, pag sumagot ka, kailangan yung number, nilalagyan mo rin ng suffix na say. Okay, how old is John? John sang wa, nansay desu ka? 18 say desu. Okay, so you just put say kasi ito yung kanyang counter suffix. And then, from where is Miss Maria? Kung gusto mo itanong kung taga saan siya, you can use the pattern. Maria sangwa, doko kara desu ka? Pwede yun. Maria sangwa, doko kara desu ka? So, it can be like, Cavite kara desu. So, pwede siya ng ganyan. Cavite kara desu. As you can see, guys, kinolor coding ko to para at least mas madali nyo magets. So, nan is what, dare is who, nansa is how old, and doko is where. And then how to answer, ganito lang po siya. Okay. Now also, we talk about particle mo. Ang ibig sabihin ay also or to. Kagaya ng sample natin na una, UST wa daigaku desu. UST sa university. PUP mo daigaku desu. So PUP is also a university. So yung mo followed by the same noun to. Kapag ka magkaiba ang topic mo and then you have the same noun to, automatically, yun ang second sentence mo should be mo. Hindi siya wa. Okay, next example, John Sangwa, America Jin desu. Mr. John is an American. Mary Sangmo, America Jin desu. Miss Mary is also an American. And then, Lani Sangwa, Sensei desu. Karina Sangmo, Sensei desu. So that's how we use particle mo. Kapag magkapareho ang predicate or noun to. Okay. And also, natin kalimutan si particle no. Ano ang kanyang gamit, no? Ano ang kanyang equivalent sa English? Of. Okay, sample tayo. BDO no ginko in, bank employee of BDO. Napansin niyo, nagkakaroon tayo ng transposition ng words, right? Kasi sa English, mauna ang common noun kaysa sa proper noun. Pero sa Japanese, nauna ang proper noun kaysa sa common noun. Next. PUP no kenkyu siya. PUP no kenkyu siya. Ma'am, sorry. Okay. Alright. Yes, naka-record po ito. Okay, PUP no kenkyu siya, researcher of PUP, and LVG no sensei, teacher of LVG. Ang rule dito, minasang laging nauuna sa Japanese ang proper noun. Okay, so let us try to use it in sentences. Miss Karina is an employee of BDO. Karina Sangwa, BDO no ginko in desu. So we have here Karina as our topic, kaya followed siya ng wa. And then BDO no ginko in, ito po yung ating kanina na employee of BDO. Next. Miss Julie is a researcher of PUP. Julie Sangwa, PUP no kenkyu siya desu. And Mr. Rudolph is a teacher of LBG. Rudolph Sangwa, LB Gino, Sensei Des. I think last time gumawa kayo ng mga sarili-sarili niyong sample nito. Okay. Hi. So that's the end of lesson 1. So i-summarize natin kung ano natutunan natin sa lesson 1. Una, we talk about the noun 1-1, noun to des, which is positive sentence. We also talk about noun 1-1, noun to Janaides, which is negative present sentence. And the noun 1-1, noun to deska, or asking question in Japanese. I hope it's clear. And also, yung 4 na checks na to talks about the 4 particles, no? Which is wa, topic marker, ka, question marker, mo, also or to, and no is off. Okay, so ito po yun. Hi, do you have any question, minasan? Bago ako magpunta sa ano? So far, so good tayo. Give me a thumbs up, okay? Or you can use the chat box. Everything's clear, no? Oo, kasi review lang naman ito. Very good. Okay.
Ma'am, question
Okay,
po.
question. Sige po.
Ma'am, meron po ma'am kasi po minsan po may nababasa po kami na parang watashi no.
Mhm.
Paano po yun ma'am?
Kasi that is in lesson 2. Lesson 2 pa kasi yun eh. So, sagutin ko na lang siya sa lesson 2. Ano? Kasi masyado nang madami itong lesson 1. Okay? Hi.
Okay po.
Okay, so any other question? Daijoubu desu yo ne? Hi. Minasan, I hope you understand. Wakarimashita yo ne? Okay. Now, this would be another activity for today. Okay, so what I want you to do, minasan, is you read the following sentences and you give me the meaning in English or in Tagalog. Okay? So you can use the chat button if you want to answer. Number 1, John Sangwa, America Jindes. Or you can unmute your mic kung sinong gusto sumagot. I-translate nyo sa akin ang sentence na ito. John Sangwa, America Jindes. Dozo?
John is an American.
Yan, so may nag-chat. John is an American or Mr. John is an American. Very good. Number 2, Kim Sangwa Kangkoku Jin Des. Anong translation nito?
Hello, sir.
Kim is a Korean. Very good. Let's go to number 3.
Na-open na siya.
PUP wa Daigaku Janai Des. What is the translation? Janai. Yan. PUP is not a university. May Janai so negative po yan dapat. Next, number 4. Onamai wa nan desu ka? Okay, very good. What is your name? Number 5. Maria Sangwa doko kara desu ka? Maria Sangwa doko kara desu ka? From where is this Maria? Very good. Number 6. Yupi wa daigaku desu ka?
Ngayon ko lang na-open.
UPA University. Very good. Next, Kim Sangwa lab no isha desu. Kim Sangwa lab no isha desu. Ano ang translation nito? Okay, very good. Miss Kim is a doctor of lab. Maybe lab is name of the hospital. And then Hachibang, Jani Sangwa kumon no gakushi desu. Janice is a Kumon student or student of Kumon. Good. Next, watashi mo sensei desu. Watashi mo sensei desu. Yes, I am also a teacher. And number 10, sensei wa dare desu ka?
What is Dare? Oh my God.
What is dare? Sensei wa dare desu ka? Ano kaya ang translation nito?
Sir, wala eh. Yung computation dito.
Yan, very good. Who is your teacher? Yes, dare. Dare kasi is who. Okay, very good, minasan. Hi. Okay, so this. Now, minasan, this would be your asynchronous activity. Okay, can you see my screen? Yan. Alright, so, i-upload ko rin to sa, sa group mamaya. I-explain ko lang kung paano nyo gagawin. Okay, I have here pictures. I have 5 pictures. So, sila yan. And then sa ibabaw nila, they have names. No? Ito yung mga pangalan nila. And then here, sa medyo gitna, ito yung kanilang mga bansa. And then sa pinaka-bottom, ito yung kanilang mga designation. Okay. Minsan pag nakita nyo itong ray, ibig sabihin sample siya. Ang mga Japanese kasi, bihira sila maglagay ng direction. What they do, naglalagay sila ng ray, sample, para alam nyo kung ano ang gagawin nyo doon sa mga susunod. Okay, so ang ray, nasa ibaba. So, Mira Sangwa, America Jindes. Mr. Miller is an American. So, kailangan nyo palang sabihin ang bawat nationality ng 4 na to. Okay, aside from that, Mira Sangwa Kaisha Indes, Mr. Miller is a company employee. Ibig sabihin, isasabihin mo rin sa amin kung ano ang kanyang designation. So, in every number, 2 ang sagot mo. Okay, in every number, 2 ang sagot. Una, nationality. Second, designation. Okay, that is asynchronous activity number 1. Okay, number 2, ito naman siya. Okay, medyo mas mahaba to. So, I have here 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapos ito walang number, pero gawin nyo na itong si Gupta, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, bale, 9 numbers. Maliwanag po yun. Wala lang siyang number, pero at dire-diretso lang siya. So, ray tayo, no? So, meron siyang name. Itong number ay kanyang age. Tapos sa ilalim, ang kanyang country, and then yung kanyang designation. So, in every number, 3 ang sagot mo dapat. So, una, Ray, Mira Sangwa nansay desu ka? So, itatanong mo kung ilang taon si Mira. And then, kailangan mo siyang lagyan ng sagot. 28 saides. So, you need to put numbers. Another question is, Mira Sangwa nanjin desu ka? What is nanjin? Kung ang sagot ay America Jindes. So, nanjin means nationality. Ano daw ang nationality ni Mira? So, sasagutin mo siya ng kung ano naroon niya. Kasi di ba tayo, lagyan mo lang ng jin yung country, that makes it nationality. And then, ang last, Mira Sangwa Kaisha Indes ka? Is Mr. Miller a company employee? Tama naman kasi nakasulat na Kaisha In. So, hi Kaisha Indes. So, ibig sabihin, itong first 2 questions, gagamitin mo yung nansay at nanjin. Pero yung last na question, hindi answerable yun. Wala kasi interrogative yun. So, answerable yun by yes or no. So, anong gagamitin mo sa tanong? Kung ano yung nakasulat sa bawat numbers nila. Po. So, meaning to say, ang isasagot nyo ay laging hi, and then kung ano man yung designation nila. Malinaw po? Give me a thumbs up kung naintindihan yung aking direction. Okay, magtanong na kung hindi siya naintindihan. So, 1 to ilan ito? Itong asynchronous activity ko, 1 to ilan?
Sa akin dyan, sir, blanco lang.
1 to ilan ito, bale? So, hindi lang siya 4, ha? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay po? And then, ganito po yung isasagot nyo. Okay.